There is no place around like the Gloria Shields Media Workshop. It is inspiring so many young people to explore the world of journalism.
This is my first year at Gloria Shields. I've never done anything like this, so it's like my first experience. Something new, something I wanted to try, and I've seen that's like many different fields that you can do stuff in, and I might want to pursue it as a career later on.
Many students' passion for telling the world their stories has grown immensely over the years.
I like journalism because it's a really great way to spread somebody's message. Like how we learned in the theme class, it's gives voice to the voiceless, and I really want to help people, and I feel like that's just kind of a way you can help people. You can share their story in the media.
It's not just students who have such a love for this topic. Many teachers have enjoyed journalism from as early as their childhood.
I am only a second-year advisor, but I came here as a student. My advisor brought me to Gloria Shields, and that's where I learned design foundations, and that I loved designing. I think one of the biggest reasons I like teaching is that it's an opportunity to provide a space for kids to experiment and fail, experiment and succeed.
Gloria Shields has touched many young lives and will continue to do so for many years to come. This has been JoJo Barnard reporting for Gloria Shields Media Workshop.